intro, Icy. Right, look like some wig installment is about to go down. Nice little petite little thing. Okay, let's get into it. Let's see. Yeah, dry that up. Dry that thing. Them lips. Let me get back. Let me focus. Okay. Let me get it right. Okay. Got a middle part. I like that color. Definitely digging the curls. Nice and wavy. No. Peanut head ass little girl. Put that wig on. Okay, hold on. Whoa. Giving Pocahontas looking. Okay. What's next? I know that ain't staying right there. The doggy door got to go. The doggy door definitely gotta go. I'm sure of that. So far, so good. Okay, girl. Going to the next clip. Show me something. Yeah. Put that butter on there. Butter that roll. Get that crack nice and slick. Slick that crack. Y'all really shit, y'all. Let's see butter in y'all shit, look key. Okay, what's that? Some mousse or something? Look like some water. What you doing with that? You going for the wet and wavy look? I like the wet and wavy look. Let's see how this pan out. Yeah. Process crazy. So I'm sorry, she just cute as hell for some reason. I mean, this is a little cute motherfucker, you know. She know what she doing too. She on this YouTube shit. She know she look good. She getting the wigs together on this motherfucker. Look at that. Put that comb through that motherfucker. Optimus Prime, it done transformed. Whoa. Wow. Getting it together. Okay. We almost done. Hit it with the mousse. Hit it with that moussillon. Oh, drop some shit. Hey, that comb transforming shit. Them curls done went from deep to wet and wavy. The process seems so simple. I don't know how y'all be paying like $800, $400 to get y'all motherfucking hair done. What the fuck they doing? That's the mousse. Good mousse. That was the mousse already. So that wasn't the mousse. I thought that was the mousse before, but that is the mousse. Moussillon. Moussa. Slick that ass. Go ahead, slick it on down. Yeah, I'm about to find her number after this video. After I'm done with this, I'm about to pull up on her. Yeah. You feel me? Go ahead. Pop your shit then. Go ahead. Yeah. Alright. You did your thing. Definitely did your thing. Your hand's still on there, bro. Oh, we back? Okay. So she wasn't done popping her shit. Okay, she wasn't done. She said, hold on. Wow. Little child. I got kids. I could be your step baby step. Your baby step. Give it to her. She did her thing. So, Hold on, wait. This is a motherfucking thing. I need some motherfucking shit. Now go motherfucking subscribe. Like and motherfucking subscribe.